guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my fall autumn makeup tutorial. So I do this every year on my channel, and this year is all drugstore and affordable products. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so first of all I'm going to use a primer spray. So this is the e.l.f. Beauty Shield Daily Defense Makeup Mist. And then for primer, I'm using the Colourpop No Filter Primer. And I'm going to use my Real Techniques stippling brush to apply it. Now for foundation today, I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation. And mine is in the shade LC1, which is the lightest shade that they do. And this also has SPF 20. And it's for all skin types. So I'm going to be using my It Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Foundation Brush to apply it. Now for concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Eye Concealer in the shade 03 Fair. And I'm using my Real Techniques contour brush to blend that in. Now for powder, I'm using the Colourpop No Filter Sheer Pressed Powder. Mine is in the shade Fair. And I'm going to use my Morphe G35 brush to set around my eye area first. Then I'm using my Morphe E2 brush to set the rest of my face. Now for contour, I'm using the NYX High Definition Blush in the shade Taupe. So it's a blush, but it's actually a contour shade. And I'm using my You Spicy 27 brush to apply it. And next up for bronzer, I'm using the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. And I'm using my It Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Powder Brush to apply it. Next up for blush, I'm using the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek Blush in the shade Between the Sheets. That's what it looks like. And I'm using my It Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Blush Brush. Now for some highlights, I'm using the Wet n Wild Colour Icon Bronzer. It's not really a bronzer, it's a highlight. In the shade Reserve Your Cabana. Using my Sigma Tapered Highlighter Brush F35. Okay, now time for the eyes, so I'm going to zoom you in. Okay, so today for my fall makeup tutorial, I'm using this eyeshadow palette. This is the Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless Timeless Fantasy eyeshadow palette. So this is what it looks like inside. Very fall colours, lots of browns, neutral shades. So I'm going to do a very natural fall look with this palette today. So first of all, using my Morphe R37 brush, I'm going in with this shade on the top here, and it's called Chic, and I'm popping that through the crease. I'm then going to use the same brush, but go in with this shade on the end here, which is called Contemporary. I'm then going to take my Sigma Tapered Blending Brush E40 with no product on it, and I'm just going to clean up some of the edges. I'm going to use my Morphe M412 brush, and I'm going to go in with this dark brown shade on the end here on my outer corners. Now I'm going to take all those colours on my lower lash line using my Morphe E18 brush. And then I'm going to go in with this shade here, which is called Luxe. And it's kind of like a pale shimmery brown shade. And I'm going to pop that then on the lid using my little finger. And then just a little bit more cleanup. And that's the eyeshadow done. So now time for some eyebrow gel. So this is my NYX Control Freak Clear Eyebrow Gel. And then for eyeliner, I'm using the NYX Slide On Glide On eyeliner pencil in the shade Brown Perfection. And then before I do my mascara, I'm just going to quickly set my face using the Colourpop No Filter Setting Mist. And then I'm going to curl my lashes using my Tweezerman eyelash curlers, and then go in with the L'Oreal Volume Million Lashes Black Mascara. And then finally for the lips, so I'm going to be using the Maybelline Colorsensational Matte Lipstick in the shade Nude Embrace. And then going over the top of that then with the Maybelline Colorsensational lipstick in the shade Tantalising Taupe. Okay, so that completes it. This is my fall makeup tutorial 2021. It's a very brown type makeup tutorial. I love to do brown makeup at fall times. This is the type of makeup I would love to wear in the fall, and it's all drugstore and affordable as well. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!